Can you believe this? I made this Spider-Man using just simple paper pieces.
Hello, welcome back to my channel.
If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more amazing DIY crafts. इस DIY को बनाने के लिए you will need red, black, blue and white कलर की A4 size sheets. फोल्डिंग पार्ट को ध्यान से फॉलो करना बिकॉज हमें सारे पीसेस एग्जैक्टली सेम साइज के चाहिए. So keep watching and fold the paper along with me step by step. फोल्डिंग कंप्लीट होने के बाद यू कैन सिंपली टेयर द पेपर along the folds instead of cutting it. This will save you a lot of time. Now let's make the main building block of our craft. Follow each folding step carefully and make sure you crease the paper properly because we'll need several of these pieces to build our final model of Spider-Man. You can take a screenshot of this part to see how many pieces you will need to make the 3D Spider-Man. Now let's start building the base. अब बस इन ब्लू पीसेस को एक एक करके इंटरलॉक करना है. हमें एक रो में टोटल 16 पीसेस चाहिए और यहाँ हमें 16 पीसेस लोअर रो में और 16 पीसेस अपर रो में चाहिए. So that makes 32 pieces in total. So keep adding the pieces one by one until all 16 pieces are connected. अब दोनों एंड्स को केयरफुली इंटरलॉक करके एक सर्कल बना लो. मेक श्योर सारे पीसेस प्रॉपरली कनेक्टेड है. नाउ लेट्स ऐड वन मोर राउंड ऑफ ब्लू पीसेस टू द बेस. Altogether we need 3 rounds of blue pieces with 16 blue pieces in each round. Now press it just like I am showing you in the video. Make sure all the pieces are properly aligned and we are done with the step. Let's add one round of 16 red pieces. Let's make the side part of Spider-Man. Watch the steps carefully and follow along with me. For this part, I am giving you a simple dotted structure showing how the pieces are interlocked in the video. Leave 3 red pieces and repeat the same on the other side. After that, fill all the gaps with red pieces. Make sure the whole structure looks neat and well connected. And here is our first base part of Spider-Man. Now, let's make the head part, which is the second part of our Spider-Man. For this part, you will need 3 rounds of red pieces. Each round will have 21 red pieces. Now let's make the eyes. Follow the steps carefully and make the eyes along with me. After you are done with the eyes, just fill the gaps with the red pieces. Hey guys, if you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and share it with as many friends as you can. Your support really motivates me to make more creative DIY videos. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now let's get back to our video. Usually, we don't use glue in origami because origami is all about folding, not sticking. But this time, I have to break the rules and use a little glue because my dear brother broke my Spider-Man. Yes, you heard that right. So now I have no choice but to glue Spider-Man back together and fix all the damage. Now let's make the hands of Spider-Man. For this I am using half piece of a paper and I am using the same process as before. For the hand, you will just need one red piece and one blue piece. Get ready to see the final result. Tell me in the comment section, how do you like this 3D origami Spider-Man? And remember, this was my first try, so let me know how I did. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.